Hey guys, get ready with me while I do this simple makeup tutorial. So I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Skin Perfecting Blurring Tint in the color tan. I absolutely love this product. It's really nice. It doesn't leave a cast on my skin, but it does a great job at blurring out my imperfections, and I just love to use it under my foundation. So I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro concealer and just concealing some of my melasma and just some other dark spots that I have that I don't want showing under the foundation, and just blending everything out with one of these Real Technique fluffy brushes. I'm not sure what this brush is called, but I love using it to blend out my concealer. The brush is amazing. Now I'm going in with my favorite MAC foundation. This is the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. I love this stuff because it has skincare ingredients in it, like hyaluronic acid that plumps your skin, and it looks so natural. And now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and I'm using the lighter shade to brighten up under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I love using this technique instead of concealer sometimes. It just depends on my skin. Sometimes concealer can be a little bit drying for me. So this does the job as well, using a lighter foundation to highlight. Now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the color medium dark. And I'm just going in and setting my foundation. Then I'm going in with my little powder puff with some Charlotte Tilbury powder, and I'm just pushing that powder in lightly into the skin just to set those areas where I used the brighter foundation under my eye area. Now I'm going back in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder in the color Dark Deepest, and I'm just using this to bronze and bring some warmth back into my face. I'm not contouring, but I'm just bronzing up the area. And as you can see, it's really bringing in a lot of warmth into my skin. So next, I'm contouring my nose with my regular face powder in the color medium. And now I'm going in with my favorite MAC eyeshadow. It's in the color saddle, and I love using this to just warm up my crease. You can stop at this shadow, but I'm going to add a few more. Now I'm going in with Brown Script by MAC. This is an eyeshadow that I love, and this one would look great on my darker skin tone women. And this is just bringing a little bit more warmth back into the look. And then I'm going to go in, and I believe, I cannot remember what this one is, but I'll link it below. But this is one of my favorite eyeshadows by MAC. It has such an angelic look on the eyelid. I just love it. I'll have it linked below. Right now, I just cannot remember what this one is called. But look how gorgeous it is. And it just looks so nice and natural. Not a whole lot going on the eye. And that's the look that I'm going for. And so I'm just going in with a darker brown. Not sure which color that was I used. And then I'm blending everything out with a Sigma fluffy brush. I believe it's the E40. Now I'm going in with my NYX micro brow pencil in the color Espresso and doing my brows. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow and the brows. And taking a black kohl liner and just putting it in my waterline, adding some type of dimension to my eyes. And then I'm taking a darker brown shadow and kind of flicking it out, giving it a little bit of a baby wing and adding a little bit of depth in the V of my eye. I'm not going for a harsh eye look, so I'm just going in and blending out the black liner in my waterline and just softening it up, and then just softening everything up on the eyes. Now I'm going in with my MAC mascara, my MAC mascara. It's called Stack. I love this mascara. it brings so much length and volume to my eyelashes because I have very short eyelashes, and this mascara is amazing. Now I'm going in with some blush and just bringing it up on the highest points of my cheek and going in with my MAC liner in the color chestnut. I love this liner. It looks good on all skin tones. And then I am going to go in next and add some lipstick. And yeah, this is actually a gloss in the color Boy Bait by MAC. This stuff is amazing. And I'm adding a little bit of highlighter, Soft and Gentle by MAC, one of my faves. It's super soft and not too harsh, and it doesn't have a lot of glitter in it, and that's what I love about it. I know it looks a little bit harsh right now, but I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender and soften it up. I still love a soft blended out highlighter. So don't be alarmed. It does look a little bit harsh right now, but yeah, just take your beauty blender that you were using for your foundation and kind of just push everything in. Then you're just going to go in with some setting spray, and this is going to melt everything together. And there you have it, the final look. I love how it turned out. Thank you for watching.